Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I got this cool product right here in my hand that is by the brand ORDTBY. And pretty much what this is the iPhone 11 Pro case that you can use to protect your phone and whatnot. So first thing first, let me actually unbox this to show you what comes out the package first before we test it out and all that good stuff. So when you first open the package itself, they gave you the case and whatnot in here, which is pretty cool. So all you do is open that part up, take the product out, and then here we have the case itself. Really nice kind of design overall, as you can see. So it's similar to the other one that I tested from the other video about the iPhone 11 one. I'm not sure if they're from the same brand or not, but most likely I think they are because the design of the product looks the same. This one in particular is just from the iPhone 11 Pro versus the other one was for the iPhone 11. But when you guys open the compartment, this is what it looks like. You can see, very similar. They provide you the little sample of what it looks like. They provide you some wet wipes to wipe down the screen or whatnot of the phone first before applying it on. They provide you an instruction guide and manual on how to set up the product and a warranty card and whatnot. Very nice little button controls overall, all rugged material on the case to protect your phone from drop and shockproof or dust and whatnot. So for this one, since I actually have the iPhone 11 Pro, I can actually apply it on and show you what it looks like. So basically all you have to do is first you want to put this phone onto the front side of the case like this. Make sure it's in first like that. And then you guys can actually apply this part in like that. So just go like this, like that. Put it all in, clip it in, and then it's all in place. As you can see, basically this is what it looks like. It shows the back side of the phone itself, shows the front side as well. Buttons right here, you guys can see, easy to use. Turn it on here, you guys can charge it as well. The wire had to go in a little bit deeper right here because of how it's made on the bottom, so there's like a lot of gap in between right here. So the buttons are here, and then here's on and off option right there. It's kind of deep in there, so you have to actually put your nails inside to open and close the sliding mode or whatnot. But basically the touch controls on here is really nice. If you guys can see, I still have a layer on top of it here, but if I touch the touch control, it's very sensitive still. So if I go like this, you guys can see I can still use it really easily. Even with this case still on right here, it still works really well. So you guys can imagine what it'll be like when you guys move this layer off first. It'll most likely be even more sensitive. So that's very cool about this one, because usually cases like this, where it's like a whole case itself that doesn't need a screen protector, it's usually not as sensitive and it's hard to use it, whereas this one is still pretty easy to use, which is really nice. But the one thing that I don't like, how I always say in all my videos or reviewing phone cases, is the fact of the back. You guys can see, it fully shows the Apple logo, the camera itself, and I personally don't like that because I don't want to show people what kind of phone I have in case they want to steal it or whatnot. So now that I show you guys the product and everything on here and how to set up and whatnot, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So this case in particular, it costs around like $15, and for that price range, would I say that's actually worth it or not? So for me, honestly, obviously I'm gonna say it's gonna be worth it, because in all my videos I always say that it's really important to get any kind of case to protect your phone when you guys are paying so much for a phone. I highly definitely recommend getting a case in general, so you guys don't have to worry about it dropping or have to worry about paying for the Apple Care insurance, so you guys can save your money. And then the same functionality of this one versus the other case that I viewed from last time, I'm assuming they're from the same brand, is the fact that it's scratch proof, shock proof, and dirt proof, which is pretty cool. But obviously if you guys don't need this or have no use of this because you guys don't have a smartphone or whatever, then obviously this product is not worth it. You guys don't need to get one of these. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad Fan Shout Out Day, we have